Why is the Kuwaiti dinar, KWD, the most valued currency in the world? The Kuwaiti dinar, KWD, has consistently held the position of the world's most valued currency when compared to the US dollar and other global currencies. As of 2025, its exchange rate hovers around 1 KWD to $3.26, which is significantly higher than any other currency. This remarkable valuation is no accident but rather a result of various interconnected factors including Kuwait's economic structure, monetary policies, geopolitical significance, and strategic management of resources. To understand why the KWD commands such a high valuation, it is essential to explore the historical, economic, and structural foundations that contribute to its strength. Let's dive into the key reasons. 1. The historical evolution of the Kuwaiti dinar. The KWD's history traces back to 1961 when it replaced the Indian rupee as Kuwait's official currency following the country's independence from British protection. At its inception, the Kuwaiti dinar was pegged to the British pound sterling (GBP). Over time, Kuwait shifted its peg to the US dollar and eventually to a basket of currencies to better manage external economic shocks. The careful and deliberate approach Kuwait has taken toward its currency since its inception reflects the country's emphasis on stability and growth. Its historical decision to peg the currency to a diversified basket ensures its value remains relatively unaffected by the volatility of any single currency, a decision that has proven to be farsighted and beneficial. 2. Oil wealth, the backbone of Kuwait's economy. Massive oil reserves. Kuwait is one of the richest oil-producing nations in the world, holding approximately 8% of global oil reserves. This abundance of natural resources serves as the foundation of the Kuwaiti economy, accounting for around 90% of government revenue and a significant portion of its GDP. High oil revenue. The country's oil exports generate billions of dollars annually, creating a steady and robust inflow of foreign currency. This inflow strengthens Kuwait's currency reserves and ensures that the KWD remains highly valued. Strategic pricing in oil transactions. Although oil is globally traded in US dollars, Kuwait's domestic oil-related transactions are conducted in KWD. This increases the demand for the currency both locally and internationally, bolstering its value further. 3. Pegged to a basket of currencies. Basket peg versus single currency peg. Initially pegged to the US dollar, Kuwait switched to a basket of currencies in 2007. The exact composition of this basket is not publicly disclosed, but it includes currencies of Kuwait's key trading partners. This strategy protects the KWD from the fluctuations of any single currency and enhances its stability. Stability against global volatility. Unlike floating currencies, the KWD's peg system minimizes the impact of global economic crises, currency devaluations, and market shocks. This stability is attractive to investors and businesses, reinforcing the currency's value. 4. Limited circulation and controlled supply. Domestic use only. The Kuwaiti dinar is primarily used within Kuwait. Its limited circulation prevents oversupply in the global market, which helps maintain its high value. Unlike the US dollar or euro, which circulate globally, the KWD's restricted use creates a scarcity effect that contributes to its high exchange rate. Prudent monetary policies. Kuwait Central Bank, the Central Bank of Kuwait, CBK, exercises strict control over the currency's supply. By regulating inflation and ensuring a balance between supply and demand, the CBK keeps the KWD strong and stable. 5. Low inflation and economic stability. Sound economic management. Kuwait's government follows prudent fiscal policies, focusing on sustainable economic development. These policies include strict budget management, limited debt accumulation, and efficient use of oil revenues. Low inflation rates. Inflation in Kuwait is kept under tight control, typically ranging between 2 to 3% annually. A low inflation rate preserves the purchasing power of the KWD, making it one of the most reliable and strongest currencies in the world. 6. Kuwait Investment Authority, a financial powerhouse. A sovereign wealth fund. Kuwait boasts one of the world's largest sovereign wealth funds, the Kuwait Investment Authority, KIA, with over $700 billion in assets under management. The KIA invests oil revenues into global assets, ensuring long-term financial stability and diversification. B. Economic resilience. The wealth generated by the KIA acts as a financial buffer during economic downturns or oil price fluctuations. This reserve of wealth further solidifies the country's economic standing and supports the value of the KWD. 7. Geopolitical significance of Kuwait. A strategic location. Kuwait is situated in the Persian Gulf, a region of immense geopolitical importance due to its proximity to major global oil trade routes. Its location amplifies its role as an economic and strategic hub. B. Strong international relations. Kuwait maintains strong ties with major global powers, including the United States and European nations. These relationships bolster investor confidence in the country's stability and its currency. 8. Diversification efforts. While oil remains the backbone of Kuwait's economy, the government has been proactive in diversifying its economic base. Initiatives such as Vision 2035 aim to reduce dependence on oil by fostering growth in sectors like finance, tourism, and renewable energy. This diversification strengthens the economy and supports the KWD's long-term stability. 9. Trust and confidence in the KWD. A. Public trust. The Kuwaiti people have immense confidence in their currency due to its consistent strength and purchasing power. This trust plays a critical role in maintaining the KWD's value. B. International confidence. Global investors and trading partners view the KWD as a stable and secure currency. Its high valuation makes it a symbol of economic strength and reliability. 10. Challenges and the KWD's resilience. Despite its strengths, the Kuwaiti dinar faces certain challenges, such as fluctuating oil prices, regional geopolitical tensions, and the need for economic diversification. However, Kuwait's prudent policies and substantial reserves have enabled it to navigate these challenges effectively, ensuring the continued dominance of the KWD. The Kuwaiti dinar's position as the most valued currency in the world is a testament to Kuwait's strategic economic management, natural resource wealth, and prudent monetary policies. Its high valuation is not merely a reflection of its oil wealth but also of the foresight and planning embedded in the country's financial and economic systems. From its historical evolution to its current status, the KWD represents stability, strength, and resilience in a rapidly changing global economic landscape. As Kuwait continues to diversify its economy and strengthen its global presence, the Kuwaiti dinar is likely to remain a benchmark of value and reliability for years to come. This exceptional currency's journey offers valuable insights into the interplay of natural resources, fiscal responsibility, and strategic planning in creating economic success. At the end, from all these key reasons, comment the one you would like us to dive in thoroughly. If you like our content, support us by clicking the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you.